Hello friends. Today we are here to introduce a specialized tool for Forex traders, provided by the Trading Finder Group. The Forex Profit Calculator tool is a special tool for accurately calculating the profit from a trade by entering 5 parameters, which include the currency pair, account currency, trade volume, opening price, and closing price. Traders can use this page to understand how the tool works, and from the top section, calculate the profit or loss of the trade. The Trading Finder Profit Calculator tool allows traders to calculate profit or loss in both buying and selling directions, enabling them to increase trade profits using their strategy or reduce trade losses before entering a trade. To use the tool in the first section, pair, currency, and search. We select the trading symbol high in this section or search for the trading currency pair in this section and select it here. In the next section, we select the account currency type from among 20 currencies in the list or choose the desired currency. From the search section, where I select the USD currency. In the next section, you can set the trade entry volume, which is in lots. Here I set it to 1.5 lots. For calculating the lot size and position size, you can use the Position Calculator tool by clicking on this section. In the next section, we select the trade entry price where I choose the entry price as 192.666. In the next section, I enter the exit price from the trade as 434 and in this section, you can see the exchange rate conversion of the account currency to the symbol, which is automatically calculated and updated in real time. And in the last section, you can determine the type of position here, where I select the sell position and then click on the calculate option, and finally, it determines my profit or loss in this section. If I choose the buy mode, we can see that, it displays my loss amount in this section. If needed, by clicking on the reset option, all applied settings will revert to default, and we can enter the required values again. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this tool's tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the feedback section.